Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 Pro for quicker wireless. So the iPhone 14 Pro is now here. The iPhone 14 Pro is currently sold out in 128 gigs, 512 gigs, or 1 terabyte of storage. However, you can get the iPhone 14 Pro and 256 gigabyte storage options in silver and deep purple color options as of right now, because those two colors are not out of stock. So y'all guys will see that the 256 gigabyte iPhone 14 Pro is in stock. The silver color and deep purple color options are available. So it's better than nothing, but yeah. The 128 gigabyte iPhone 14 Pro is $999.99. The 256 gigabyte iPhone 14 Pro $1099.99. Then the 512 gigabyte iPhone 14 Pro, I think it's $11.99. Then it's $13.99.99 for the 1 terabyte version. So it's 9, 10, 12, 14.99 respectively. So yeah. So that's the iPhone 14 Pro. You guys will notice a difference. It has a big ass pill shaped cutout. That's for the dynamic island feature, which is pretty cool. It looks like the iPhone 13 Pro from last year, but this is the main difference between the two phones. You guys had your power button on the right side, volume keys on the left side, along with your alert switch. Power button on the back of the iPhone 14 Pro is your triple camera system, camera flash, Apple logo. And there's a bad look at the back right there. Like I said, volume keys on the left, along with your alert switch. So yeah. The iPhone 14 Pro has a 6.1 inch display, 48 megapixel camera, 512 gigabytes of storage, 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 or 1 terabyte of storage options. Alright. So the magical way to interact with iPhone 14 Pro features groundbreaking safety features designed to save lives, and innovative 48 megapixel camera for mind-blowing detail, all powered by the ultimate smartphone chip. Contains dual eSIM support. Features display: Super Retina XDR display, 6.1 inches, all-screen OLED to 2556 by 1179 pixel resolution at 460 ppi. So that weird ass resolution. So that's pretty much expected from Apple. Video, shoot, view, edit, and share in ProRes or Dolby Vision HDR. Camera: the all-new 48 megapixel main camera with an advanced quad pixel sensor. So if you guys want to get the specs on the iPhone 14 Pro, I will have them linked down below. I don't know why Cricket don't have new specs on the iPhone 14 Pro, but it is what it is, guys. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 Pro is now available at Cricket Wireless. The 128 gigabyte version, 256 gigabyte version, 512 gigabyte version, and 1 terabyte version are not in stock. However, you do have two color options for the 256 gigabyte version that are currently in stock as of this video recording. Y'all guys have the silver color and deep purple color options for the 256 gigabyte iPhone 14 Pro. So it's better than nothing. So yeah, if you guys are wanting to try out the new iPhone 14 Pro, like the features and stuff, there you guys go. Like I said, it looks like the iPhone 13 Pro from last year. But the iPhone 14 Pro has a pill-shaped cutout there on the front. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.